Welcome to Jane and Aquarium. Today we're going to make this cholla wood in this tank go from meh to boom shakalaka. Stay tuned. So what we are going to do is use Christmas moss to spice up our cholla wood a bit. Does not take much moss and it'll make a huge difference in the look of this cholla wood. We start by simply using our aquarium tongs to separate some of the Christmas moss. We then take the moss and we just stick it in the holes of the cholla. That's all we're doing. This may be painful for any experienced aquascapers to watch, as with my big old clumsy hands are not that elegant at doing this, but I get it done. Nicole is the true professional at doing this in our house. She does them 3 times faster than me. You don't have to fill every single hole, as the moss will grow and it will fill in itself. Sometimes the moss breaks with the tongs as you're trying to stuff it in the holes. Don't worry, it will repair itself. All I'm trying to do is get the moss so it actually stays in the cholla and doesn't float out. This is a great way to secure your moss as well if you're trying to start a moss colony in your aquarium. This is most beneficial for nano tanks, but can be used in all tanks. This piece of cholla wood is 10 inches and it is going in the 10-gallon tank. So anything 10 gallons or bigger, these 10-inch pieces take up quite a bit of space. We are expecting some baby shrimplets in the tank that this is going in, and this is a great addition for shrimplets, as you'll find lots of beneficial food and biofilm to eat off of the moss and cholla wood. Figured we'd speed things up a bit here for you since I'm kind of slow at putting this in. But all in total, it takes about 5 minutes to put all the moss into the cholla wood. And I think we can all agree that this takes your cholla wood from meh to boom shakalaka. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Please hit that subscribe and notification button, and we will talk to you next time. Take care.